सोचिए, अगर अर्थ की सरफेस एक ही ठोस चट्टान होती तो अर्थक्वेक्स, वॉल्केनोज और हिमालयाज कुछ भी नहीं होता। बिकॉज अर्थ इज नॉट स्टैटिक, इट इज मूविंग। पृथ्वी की ऊपरी सतह को हम कहते हैं लिथोस्फीयर, और ये एक टुकड़ा नहीं बल्कि कई बड़ी छोटी प्लेट्स में बटी हुई है। These plates float over the semi-molten asthenosphere and move at a speed of 2 to 10 centimeters per year. Slow for humans, deadly for geology. Types of plate boundaries, key prelims area. Number 1, convergent boundary. जब दो टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स एक दूसरे की तरफ आती हैं, तब सबडक्शन या माउंटेन बिल्डिंग होता है। Example, the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate, leading to the formation of the Himalayas. This collision also results in frequent earthquakes and the development of fold mountains. Number 2, divergent boundary. जब प्लेट्स एक दूसरे से दूर जाती हैं. Example, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a site of new crust formation. It is also associated with intense volcanic activity. Number 3, transform boundary. जब प्लेट्स sideways slide करती हैं. Example, the San Andreas Fault in California is associated only with earthquakes. It does not lead to volcanic activity. Prelims gold line. Young fold mountains are unstable zones. Old shields are stable zones. यही लॉजिक यूपीएससी बार बार टेस्ट करता है। Let us see some prelims PYQs. UPSC Prelims 2013. The Himalayan mountain range is an example of. Check the options on screen. Yes, correct answer is option C. The Indian plate is moving northwards and colliding with the Eurasian plate, forming fold mountains. A classic continental convergence. Next PYQ, UPSC Prelims 2021. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Most volcanoes occur along plate boundaries. Transform boundaries are associated with volcanism. Check the options on screen. Yes, correct answer is option A. Statement 1 is true and is related to the ring of fire. Statement 2 is false because transform boundaries are associated only with earthquakes. अगर आपको concept based PYQs, UPSC trap explanations and smart elimination techniques चाहिए, log into Uki और prelims को logic based बनाइए, memory based नहीं।